Hello, I'm Ilona Faustova, the Vice Director of the Institute of Bioengineering and Program Director of the Bachelor Science and Technology program. The innovative English-taught Bachelor program was launched in 2015, and the first admission was in 2016. The program is in collaboration with 4 institutes: Institute of Technology, Chemistry, Molecular and Cell Biology, and it is coordinated by the Institute of Bioengineering. It is fully taught in English, so the talented international students from around the world could join it. The majority of the students are coming from abroad. Over the years, on average, around 87% of international students from 47 different countries have studied the Science and Technology program. The program has 3 specializations: Bioengineering and Robotics, Chemistry and Material Science, and Genetics and Biotechnology. First 1.5 years, students study all together to get basics knowledge in the field of math, chemistry, physics, programming, molecular biology, and so on, to get a good foundation to equalize the different backgrounds of students and to prepare for further studies. Additionally, students are getting practical experience in the specialization fields that allow them to better understand what one or another specialization is about. Because entering the university, the majority has an abstract imagination about specializations, and it is very hard to choose before you try. Additionally, after practical experience, students better understand what they like to do and what opportunities they have in one or another specialization, so they can make more knowledgeable decisions and choose the specialization based on acquired knowledge and skills. After you make a choice, you study only specific specialization you have selected for the next 1.5 years. So in total, it is a 3-year program, but split into 2 parts, 1.5 and 1.5. To conclude, the advantages of the program are: you can get a solid foundation in natural and exact sciences and practical experience. The program helps to make more knowledgeable specialization decisions and develop an interdisciplinary mindset. In the program, we emphasize practical studies. We believe that students learn and understand better through hands-on experience. So it is more effective not only to learn theory, but also apply it to practice. Already during the very first semester of the first year, students have an introductory laboratory course, which combines lab tasks from 5 institutes. And they get hands-on experience in different research methods, better understanding of the field, and improved learning outcomes in various theoretical courses. In the second semester, there is the elective course, Laboratory Project, where students have to complete 3 small practical scientific projects in 3 out of 4 institutes. During the course, you try different specializations in real life, work on actual research projects, learn to analyze data, get experience in scientific presentation. Additionally, you have some possibilities to get practical experience in research labs, not only in academia, but also in industry. For example, students can pass the professional practice in Estonia or abroad. And there is even the opportunity to write a bachelor thesis in enterprise. In this case, the second co-supervisor has to be from the university. And for sure, there are lots of exchange opportunities, like for students to spend a semester or more in any of over 70 partner universities in 30 countries. To conclude, the curriculum provides several advantages. It helps students to make better career decisions, provides solid foundation in various fields, and as students study all together during the first 3 semesters and later spread between different specializations, it promotes formation of a community of future multi- and interdisciplinary professionals that supports innovation across different fields. Regarding the structure of the program, Science and Technology is a 3-year bachelor's program during which students have to complete 180 credit points worth of courses. It means 30 credits per semester. The program has base, narrow field, specialty, elective, optional models. The program ends up with writing and defending the bachelor thesis. As you can see on the screen, the base modules consist mostly of the courses that provide a good foundation to continuous studies. And the narrow field module already has more specialization-specific courses. After these common modules, you have to choose between specializations, and as you select one of them, you must complete all 3 specialization modules. You cannot mix and match modules between different specializations. You can only take other specialization courses as electives. For example, if you choose bioengineering and robotics, you have to fulfill all 3 modules of bioengineering and robotics specialization. And the same is with any other specialization: genetics and biotechnology or chemistry and materials science. You also complete elective and optional courses, and at the end of the program, students write and defend the bachelor thesis. It is important to mention that students may select any research laboratory from the Faculty of Science and Technology for bachelor's thesis. After graduation, our alumni study all over the world in top universities. There is the possibility to continue the career not only in academia, but also in industry, or even continue in different fields, as solid foundational knowledge and skills can be transferred to other professions. In our program, we are using active teaching methods. Like the Chinese proverb says, "What I hear, I forget, what I see, I remember, and what I do, I understand." For that, we use different ways of providing new information, like seminars, group works, team-based learning, project-based courses, and for sure practical courses. We enable the interaction of students with the subject of study, providing different laboratory courses, different practical courses, practical sessions. Also, there is the opportunity to incorporate newly acquired knowledge in practice while doing the practice or graduation studies. An important part of the teaching process is the creation of an encouraging study environment, so the students have the feeling of belonging, are emotionally supported, and are part of our study community. When you feel that you belong, you want to participate in the study activities more. All the study methods, when combined, lead to exponential growth of academic performance. And also, we do not underestimate the incorporation of emotions. If students are getting positive emotions, the motivation to study and study outcomes increase. And vice versa, negative emotions decrease the motivation and thus the study outcome. Here we are not talking about getting bad grades or failing the experiments, but about negative emotions connected to the study environment. And inspiration also plays a key role in the education process. One of very good examples of a course which combines all these active teaching methods is iGEM competition. It is the largest synthetic biology competition in the world. iGEM competition is integrated into the science and technology program as elective course. The competition has more than 400 teams participating from more than 66 different countries and regions all over the world. Students work all the season on the project, which finishes on the Grand Jamboree in Paris. The goal of the competition is to take any of the world's problems and offer the solution with the help of synthetic biology. The competition consists of a lot of different parts, so you develop a lot of different skills, and we start with creating the idea. We work on the project, we document our work, and present the result on the final, getting medals and awards. All of this develop different skills, not only scientific skills, theoretical skills, but lab skills, computer skills, writing skills, and what is also very important, the soft skills. The journey of our team started in 2017, and during the journey of our team we have got different medals, silver medals, gold medals. The bigger achievement was in 2022 when we got nominated for the best wiki, and for sure the greatest success of the team was in 2023, when the team won the grand prize of the competition and also achieved some additional awards and nominations. It's the biggest achievement you can get on the worldwide iGEM competition. Very often students say there is a life before and after iGEM. Participation in iGEM has huge benefits not only on the field-related studies, but on the overall students' academic performance. Due to it, students develop knowledge, professional skills, communication and teamwork skills, but also become motivated and inspired. This promotes eagerness to study, explore and research, so the overall study outcome increases. Students make a transition from being a student to becoming a scientist in a very short period of time. So active teaching philosophy is beneficial, and its incorporation into the education system is necessary. If you are interested in our program, then welcome to the Science and Technology family. Thank you for listening.